Today I am reviewing the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Gasket mechanical keyboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the design, the F75 features a 75% compact layout that perfectly balances desk space efficiency and full functionality. This means you get all the essential keys without the bulk of a full-size keyboard. It's ideal for those with limited desk space or mobile setups, yet never compromises on usability. What really sets this keyboard apart is its innovative gasket mounting structure. This technology cushions the keyboard plate, providing a soft but responsive typing feel. The gasket mount reduces finger fatigue during long sessions by allowing just the right amount of flex and bounce. It creates a satisfying, tactile typing experience that's both smooth and consistent. Speaking of smoothness, the F75 is engineered with 5 layers of sound and shock absorption. This includes 2 layers of pour-on foam, an IXB switch pad, a PET sound enhancement pad, and a bottom silicone pad. This complex internal design drastically cuts down typing noise and vibration. So, whether you're gaming late at night or working in a quiet office, the keyboard stays whisper quiet and distraction-free. Underneath the keycaps, you'll find a precision-crafted 1.2mm slotted PCB. This ensures every keystroke registers accurately and reliably, giving you confidence in each press. The keyboard comes with factory-lubricated mechanical switches, specifically the LEOBOG Reaper switches, that feels silky smooth from the very first use. The pre-lubrication process minimizes scratchiness and key wobble, enhancing overall comfort and performance. Connectivity-wise, the F75 excels with 3-way options: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C. Whether you want a neat wireless setup, ultra-low latency connection for gaming, or a simple wire connection, this keyboard can handle it all. The large 4,000 mAh battery also means you can game or work for hours without needing a recharge, supporting extended sessions without interruption. For media control, EPOMAKER has included a handy multimedia control knob. This knob lets you adjust volume and media playback smoothly without interrupting your workflow or gaming focus. It's a simple but thoughtful addition that adds convenience and a premium feel. Customization is key for many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, and the F75 doesn't disappoint. It offers full-key hot-swappable sockets, allowing you to easily replace or upgrade switches without soldering. Whether you want a clicky, tactile, or linear feel, you can swap switches to tailor your keyboard exactly how you like it. Stability and precision in typing are enhanced by finely calibrated stabilizers that reduce key wobble and deliver a solid, quiet typing experience. The keyboard also features durable cherry-profile double-shot PBT keycaps, which are known for their resistance to wear and shine, as well as their smooth texture and premium look. Finally, the F75 delivers a stunning 16.8 million color RGB backlight with customizable lighting effects. Whether you want a calming glow, dynamic waves, or reactive typing effects, the vibrant RGB adds flair to your setup. Combined with ultra-responsive, low-latency performance, this keyboard is ready to perform at its best, whether you're gaming competitively or typing a long document. In conclusion, the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 is a beautifully engineered mechanical keyboard that brings together compact design, superior comfort, silent operation, versatile connectivity, and full customization. It's an excellent choice for gamers, creatives, and anyone seeking a premium typing experience with a stylish, compact form factor. If you want a keyboard that feels great, looks amazing, and adapts perfectly to your needs, the F75 is absolutely worth checking out.